Alrighty, good morning and welcome back to another video. We are going to be working on the Peterbilt today again. More like an update. We're just still looking for parts and whatnot. David picked up these leaf springs yesterday, or the day before, right here. So these are the springs that are gonna go back on it, right here. And so we're heading out to a couple places, like a surplus place and then LKQ. They have parts that we need in order to install these leaf springs. So just wanted to update you guys on what we're doing. We haven't posted anything on this truck in a while, so we gotta keep you guys up to date. Here's David, there's Dan, you guys seen them all on the channel, so Ginger. So yeah, so we're gonna head out to, what's the name of that place? Not LKQ, the other one. Wholesale Truck Parts?
That's LKQ.
That's the same thing? Okay, so that's where we're gonna head out. Figured we'd give you guys a little update on where we're at with this truck build. We also gotta work on our, not our regular jobs, but we gotta still make money, so that's why we're not constantly posting every day, but we're trying. So that's the plan. The plan for today. So we are gonna head out and show you guys what else that we need to buy. So stay tuned. So we are here at the truck and let's see what we need and show them what piece you said it was cracked.
Right here. I think it's called the horn, front horn.
Oh, this section here. Oh, that's where it's cracked, right there.
Yeah, the leaf spring mounts onto it right here in the bottom. So before we install that, I have to change this piece.
It's a pretty big piece. Yeah, so that thing needs to be changed.
And then
so this is the only piece, huh? Airbags we can install later after.
Well, we can pick them up today.
Yeah, because we can still put the leaf springs on, put it on the wheels, and the airbags can go later. So on this side, sorry, that's all good. So this side we have. We might need to get this new piece. I'm not sure. It looks a little bent. Maybe just take a bunch of pictures so we don't forget.
I have pictures of that.
So we just need that. These are fine for the airbags, the plates.
Tie rod.
Oh, this tie rod right there. Someone said we installed this thing backwards.
What?
Oil pan.
Oil pan? Yeah, maybe. But it's not leaking. So.
No, there's really no other way it would fit.
Yeah, no leaks anymore. Right?
But that's how it. No, that's exactly how it came when we took off the other one, anyways.
No, it was the other way around. You installed it wrong.
You're gonna get all these people confused. All right, what else do we need? Oh, we need the battery box.
Yeah, with the brackets.
So we need those hangers right there.
A used one.
This hanger here that holds on.
Well, this is for
the air tanks. Yeah. The air dryer looks fine. What else do we
I
need?
just need to pick up a strap and then, oh yeah, just mount for the lower airbags. It's broken off. I mean, we could use it, but might as well get a new one.
Yeah, if it's broken, might as well get a new one.
It's dirty.
So that's pretty much what we're on the mission today, is to buy all these parts. That way we can put the leaf spring back on. So it's a long process of just buying all these parts and us still having to work and
pay bills.
pay bills, rent and all that. So it's not cheap.
Attorney fees.
Yeah, attorney fees for him. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's that we got to get for this truck, but we'll get there. It takes time. Sorry that we haven't been posting as much on this truck, but we're trying. We're gonna get this video up and running soon. And another thing, just to clear up some stuff from the other videos that people keep bringing up. So I got in contact with the guy that ordered this truck, and he confirmed it that it's a double frame from the front to the rear. It's a 310-inch wheelbase. It's got 46K rears and 60-inch spread on the tandems in the back. So all that stuff was confirmed by the previous owner, or the guy that ordered it. He also said he paid 175 grand for it. not including any of the upgrades. So we estimate around 190, and that's pretty much what it is, 185, 190. So in case y'all didn't, you know, read in the comments, that's all the stats on this truck and the specs. So once we know more, we'll let you guys know. But for now, we're gonna head out and go get some parts. Alrighty, we are here at, what is this place called? What is this one, Dan?
I'm not sure.
You sent us the address. Yeah, some type of surplus. And there's some tanks here that we found that they have. There's this one right here, Peterbilt one. It says right here, even Peterbilt. Where was it? On the sides. It's a little dark, but it's right there. So they have one. They're 700 bucks just for this one. Not in the best shape. It's got like scuffs. Yeah, it needs a really good polish. I mean, you can put the covers on the ends here, like the leather ones. Or yeah, see if you can find other ones. So there's this one here, and then there's this one here, which also has the dent. Which ours also has the dent, so kind of don't need that. A lot more other ones, but they're just universal ones or different brand. So yeah, and plus these are only like, well, 120s. It'd be nice to get 150, yeah, on both ends. So yeah. Oh, and there's this one right here. This is a Peterbilt one also. Oh no, this is a Freightliner. He told us it was a Peterbilt. So yeah, it was that one, I guess, and then this one that's damaged. And it's like flat on this side too. Yeah. So nothing really good here. They don't have anything for leaf springs for Peterbilts or nothing like that. So, but they have a lot of Freightliner stuff. So if you guys are looking for Freightliner parts, this is where you guys might want to check out. Oh, there's battery box.
No. It's a Freightliner style.
Yeah, you need the one that's more horizontal, right?
It's a step too.
And it's a step, so kind of like that.
Double step. That's just those mount on the back of the Freightliner, so their battery boxes are different.
Yeah, they mainly have all these Freightliners.
I kind of figured. I don't know why it came to it, but
Where are we gonna head to next?
where I wanted to go.
Dan wanted to come here.
To
LKQ?
wholesale, wholesale truck parts, and then stop by Vets and maybe Peterbilt,
Alright.
DSU.
Peterbilt and
Try to
LKQ
order
is
as much
next.
parts as we can because everything's on back order and it takes a while to get in.
So yeah,
Leaf
so
springs took what, like a week?
for over a week by the time
Yeah.
dropped it off, picked it up. But yeah,
I guess looking at this, it's a Freightliner.
But it's a new Freightliner.
Freight shaker. It's gonna shake up in 100,000 miles. Vroom.
you get paid per mile if it shakes or it doesn't shake.
It's a freight shaker.
Yeah.
It's automatic. Would you drive an automatic?
Would I drive an automatic?
No. Did you see my shifter?
Yeah, these are actually pretty nice compared to.
You can crash and die if I had an automatic truck. There's nothing you can do.
Maybe too bored.
Too bored. New is
Got an
new.
APU.
I mean, it is new, it's nice. I would much rather drive this one than my Cascadia. This one has a roof too. Yeah, these Cascadias actually look pretty nice compared to the other ones, but end of the day, still a Cascadia. Nothing wrong with them, but a Peterbilt or Kenworth would be a little nicer to have. Let's go gamble some money so we can pay for our
Buy new
parts.
Yeah. Worth
What?
a shot.
And then if we lose it, we won't have any videos for another couple weeks.
We're one exit down. It's a new casino.
In Washington?
Yeah.
Safety first.
So no casino.
Nah.
I want to
what? A hood?
We're gonna do 10K real quick.
Yeah, but Ginger's here.
Yeah.
So she'll gamble too.
But also, yeah, if you guys know of anyone selling parts that we need, or if you have them, let us know in the comments, because we are willing to drive if you gotta go pick them up if it's the right deal. So if you guys have anything that you see on the truck that you might know, someone that has them, leave a comment down below. So just let us know. We're heading out to another place. Hopefully they have something for us, because we really want to get that truck, put the wheels on and put the leaf springs and see how it drives. So for right now, no luck, but we might be able to get something on this next stop here. So stay tuned. LKQ.
See my buddy Tony.
Get some parts, huh?
Yep.
Hopefully they have more stuff than the other one did.
I think they should.
Alrighty. So we just gotta go check out what they got here, and hopefully it's gonna be worth it. So let's see.
389. What year? 15.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's about our newest one right there. We had two trucks in here that were later, but we sold the cabs and all that shit. They went away.
I need like a battery box.
The battery box we can look up top and see, but I think the battery box we sold, but I'm not sure. We'll look up there.
And then
Look what we got here. A bunch of battery boxes.
is this Peterbilt?
Now we just gotta find one that's those are the rounder ones.
Huh?
387.
Huh?
Here's another one.
The one on top.
I actually like those, dude.
These are pretty nice.
You can probably even install these off of this one.
Like this truck is so old, like this aluminum, you're like polish through it. Like, you got so thin.
Alrighty, so we are leaving wholesale truck parts, and
Bust.
we just have no luck today with anything. Not or just the parts expensive, they just don't have any at all. There's a hood. What do they want for 8,400?
10 grand.
Yeah,
I
so
so 8,400 might work, but we gotta measure it.
one's like 84, one's 10 grand.
Anyway, a lot of money.
A lot of money, yeah. But there's no fuel tanks that we need. There's no battery boxes anywhere either. The front hanger for the leaf spring that we need to put to install the leaf springs also, no one has it. So we're gonna try another place, Hagerman's, or Hagerman's down the road. And I guess we'll see if we can find anything there, and if not, kind of sucks because no one has anything here locally for this truck.
Dealer.
So yeah, unless you want to go to the dealer, which is going to be super expensive. So yeah, that's what pretty much a day looks like, looking just for parts. Pretty much been doing this all day now. What time is it? 3 for half a day or so. So we're gonna head down to Hagerman's and see if they have anything there. Alrighty, well today was a total failure. Didn't get
I
nothing.
mean, we got some food.
We got food, but that's about it. Went through 4 different places. No one had anything we were looking for. They either had like different, like a lot of older Peterbilt stuff, but not that 389 that we're looking for. So he knows someplace in Missouri, but we might actually go there. I don't know, is someone you know or?
Just a junkyard there.
Junkyard.
Good old online and stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff there.
We might have to just do that because here locally there is really nothing. So just wanted to show you kind of how pretty much it goes when you're looking for parts. It's not that easy for sometimes, but anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we'll be posting more updates like this here shortly. We're hoping to get at least a spring hanger so we can install the springs, put some wheels on it, and then at least drive it and get the battery box, but we couldn't find any of that, so kind of really sucks. But that's pretty much it for today. If you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome videos coming soon. So peace out.